There aren't many perfect places to live in the world. Most people have to make do with good enough, and I'm no exception. One of the things about my property that makes it less than perfect is the fact that there's a road right there. Can't see much of the traffic, but you can definitely hear it. And unfortunately, my bedroom is right here. So I'm trying something new to see what I can do about the noise. You can see my windows are a very fetching shade of blue. What I've done is I've bought some sheets of 1/4-inch Lexan, and I had them cut to fit the frame right where the screen normally goes. Then added a couple of these aluminum clips that I made just to hold things in the center. Each clip has a little rubber pad behind it, and that's just a standard pad for a kitchen cabinet door. At the top edge, the focus. At the top edge, the Lexan tucks in under this slip, and the exact same thing happens at the bottom edge. The Lexan just tucks in. So these windows were already double pane, but now they're basically triple pane. And I'm going to go see how much better the noise is on the inside of the house. This is right next to the bedroom, so you'll be able to hear some noise from here. Now let's see how the master bedroom is in comparison. Do love the blue glow. Alright, well it's not perfect. You know, I can still hear the traffic, but it reduced the sound quite a lot. And potentially I could do the same thing on the inside. I could add a fourth layer that would be on the inside of the window here. Only challenge there is that I wouldn't be able to adjust these blinds ever because they'd be blocked off. And also, these windows are my fire exit. If there's ever a fire in the house that traps me in the bedroom, this is how I get out. So I want to make sure I'm not completely blocking what's there. If I could open this window right now and I could easily kick out the Lexan panel. It's just tucked into the bottom edge. The two clips there and there, they're very thin aluminum. They would bend quite easily. In fact, I bent them to shape basically by hand. So I have no doubt that if I need to get out of here, I could be through that thing in a couple of seconds. And eventually I will go ahead and take down that blue plastic, but I'm kind of enjoying the color right now. It's a nice change. Thanks for watching.